The AirVent is a 4-foot shingle-over, rooftop-installed attic intake vent. It gives the roofing contractor complete control over intake ventilation because it installs on the roof. The roofing contractor does not have to rely on another trade to install soffit or under-eave vents. The AirVent can be used to supplement existing intake airflow already installed in the overhang, and it's a perfect solution for homes designed without an overhang or soffit but still need attic intake airflow. In cases where the home is designed with exposed rafter tails, such as an open soffit, you can install the AirVent up the roof 2 to 3 feet. Shingles are installed on top of the AirVent that match the roof, helping it blend in nicely with the roof for stunning curbside appeal. The AirVent has a patented internal baffle and drainage system along with an internal weather filter to help provide multiple layers of protection against Mother Nature. Each end of each 4-foot stick has integrated end plugs. Design features such as the wind-driven rain and weather stops, the water drain and diverter, as well as the drainage channel will give you confidence installing this in any climate zone. It passed our 30-day ice dam test. The AirVent provides 9 square inches of net-free area per linear foot. That complements the 18 square inches of net-free area per linear foot most attic exhaust ridge vents provide. That means balancing an attic with equal intake and exhaust airflow will be easy because the AirVent can be installed all along the edge of the entire roof. The AirVent is suitable on roof pitches 312 and steeper. It comes in the color black with nails included. The AirVent has a limited lifetime warranty and 5-year replacement plus protection. We'll cover the cost if it's necessary to replace the product, including the time and labor. The AirVent is part of our ventilation product offering under our AirVent brand that features a collection of ventilation products for residential applications. These products are manufactured in the USA and are part of the Gibraltar Building Accessories brand family.